Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your devices. Today, we're diving into something simple yet essential: how to shut down your iPad in 2025. With Apple's continuous updates, the process might have a few tweaks, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step in under 2 minutes. Whether you're troubleshooting a glitch, saving battery life, or just powering down for the night, knowing this can save you a headache. First things first, grab your iPad and make sure it's unlocked. In 2025, Apple has made things even more intuitive with enhanced gesture controls, but we'll stick to the basics that work across most models. Start by locating the power button. On most iPads, it's on the top edge. For the latest models like the iPad Pro 2025, you might find it on the side for easier access. Now, press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds. You'll see a power off slider appear on the screen, along with options for medical ID or emergency calls, super useful in a pinch. Once the slider shows up, simply slide it from left to right to initiate the shutdown. Your iPad will power down gracefully, and the screen will go black. If your iPad is frozen or unresponsive, don't panic. Hold down the power button and the volume up button simultaneously for about 10 seconds. This force restart can resolve minor issues without losing your data. Remember, shutting down isn't the same as restarting. Use this method when you need a full power cycle. A quick tip: regularly shutting down your iPad can help maintain its performance and extend battery life, especially with the new AI features in iPad OS 2025. Avoid yanking the charger or forcing it off, as that might cause software glitches. There you have it. Shutting down your iPad is straightforward and quick. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.